Hi, and welcome back to Making Retirement Possible, a guide to getting on track to your financial independence. My name is Richie, and today we're going to be discussing 5 401k mistakes that I have personally made. Now, I'd like to say that I've learned from my mistakes and I don't repeat them, but now that I'm in my older years, I can clearly look back and identify these blunders that I had made. And so, what I'd like to do with you today is share some of these, and hopefully, you can avoid these same pitfalls going forward. Number five, take it with you. And what I mean is when you leave a company, take your 401k with you. Don't let it just sit there. Open an IRA and roll it into it. And even better, let a financial advisor manage it for you. This is their job and they're shooting for maximum growth. And so what you can do is you can kind of keep an eye on what he's investing in and take that strategy and use the same in your own personal 401k in your new company. Number four, don't overreact to market corrections. The example here is an S&P 500 index fund in early 2020, and what we have here is COVID-19. So in this example, you could see on February 9th, this fund was doing just fine. It was upticking, it was making money, and then all of a sudden the bottom dropped out. And by March 15th, it had completely bottomed out and bounced, and I guarantee a lot of people sold out here. But if you had just held on, you can see that it bounced and it continued to make money through the rest of the year. And if you sold, you locked in at a loss and had to start over. Number three, changing your contributions with the current market conditions. When you started your company 401k, you had to choose some investment funds to put your money into. And no doubt those were funds that were performing well at that time. But if that was 1, 2, or even 3 years in the past, you need to take a look and make sure your holdings are still performing well. And if they're not, you need to change your contributions and reallocate your funds. I would suggest looking at your performance percentage every month. That's a key indicator if anything has went bad in your portfolio. Number two, company contribution matching. Many companies will match the employee contributions up to a certain percentage, and in my experience, it's been between 4 and 6%. If you put in any less than what they're matching, you are giving free money away. Say you're only comfortable contributing 5% out of every check, but your employee matches that amount. So what you're really getting is 10% of your check put in your 401k. Half of it was for free. Don't miss out on this one. Number one, cashing out your 401k early. I can't think of any good reasons to cash out your 401k and take the money early. If it's to relieve some personal crisis or debt, these are things you can deal with because you're currently employed. Really weigh out your options before you make this move. Your older retired self is depending on you not to make this mistake. In today's world, the company pension has all but disappeared and Social Security just simply is not enough. Whatever reason you think you want to cash out your 401k will be nothing but a distant memory when you're 75 years old. Stay the course and keep contributing. You will pat yourself on the back in the future. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more content, please like and subscribe.